Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Hummer H3 Alpha, and we're going to be replacing the bump stop bushing. As you guys see right here, when I press on the brake, the car fully slams down from the front, and this is a very common issue on these American SUVs because this bump stop bushing goes bad over the years, and as you guys saw in the beginning, my bushings are completely deteriorated. So we're going to start off by loosening the lugs on the Hummer, jacking it up, and then removing the wheel off the Hummer. Once the wheel is off, we have clear sight of the bushing. It's right here, it's completely deteriorated. And to remove it, it's pretty simple. We're going to grab a straight screwdriver, stick it right into the hole, and just wiggle it and pry it right out. Here's the new bushing. Installation is pretty simple as well. We're going to put it right in place. There's 4 tabs around the bushing assembly, and we're going to just push it into place. And with the help of the screwdriver, I'm going to tuck it in and then get it to lock in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and share. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if you guys want to see more videos on my Hummer and my other vehicles as well, please hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.